Welcome back. The neck can be a giveaway for one's real age.
For sure. Whether it is a turkey neck, a red neck, that's actually a real thing, or wrinkles, there are many ways to improve your appearance for a more youthful look. Dr. Deborah Manjoney is here from the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa to go over some of the options. I cannot tell you, good morning, I can't tell you how excited I am that you're addressing the neck specifically, and this entire segment is just about the neck.
Just the neck.
Because it's true. I mean, we can do these amazing things to our face. There are now things you can even do for your hands.
Right.
It's always hands and neck.
Right.
And I think with so many celebrities, I think, well, that's where you can see their real age is
Kinda
right in
cuts
their
out
neck.
Why Diane
jaw,
Keaton wears
all the
those turtlenecks?
That's right.
all
I
the
think
time.
so.
Yeah. All right. So what's the deal? There are options. There's a way now you can treat it.
There are lots of options actually for treatments for the neck.
Let's start with like the red neck.
The red
What
neck
is it?
actually has a medical term.
Okay.
It's called Pyloderma.
Okay.
And that is from sun damage. And women and men both get it. And it's frequently, you know, a redness that comes around all the back of the neck, but also
I know
can be
exactly
the
what you're
whole
talking about.
neck.
It can be very splotchy
Yeah, it
looking.
can be very splotchy, and it can be actually quite dark. And so intense pulse light treatments really work very, very well to get rid of that. Now, it may take, they're a little more stubborn than facial things, so it might take 3 or 4 treatments, but usually you can really improve that Pyloderma and make it much, much better.
IPL
Is this what we're looking at, or?
It
Yeah,
looks like it. I'm
that's
not
a
sure
dramatic change
We
from
can't
the
now.
top.
We can't see much on onto the neck there, but yes, I mean, and this is the one thing I will tell you. My husband is averse to having any treatments of any kind. He's Mr.
really?
Natural, you know. But the neck bothers him. He gets that Pyloderma. He's out in the sun a lot, and so he does get intense pulse light treatments every now and then when I can get him in out of the sun.
Did he say it was okay for you to say that?
Nope.
I love it. I love it. Okay, let's talk about the turkey neck. I think this might be the most common.
I think so too. The turkey
That's
neck
the
is
little gobble gobble,
that's
or
right.
what?
Yes, where you have the real fullness underneath the chin, and a lot of times it's genetic. Other times it's from weight gain. But there are ways to treat it now, and we can treat it with either the cool sculpting with using a little cool mini that we can just put a little suction applicator on the neck.
Look at the difference
and
in
this
her
one treatment
profile.
on this one, and that really makes a big difference. And then the other way is with Kybella, which is an injectable treatment that we can do using a little template and really customize and really minimize
Look at that.
the effect of the fat on the neck.
Okay, so this is
and really
Kybella.
improve it. That's Kybella too.
Okay. Wow.
And so you can really get a nice improvement with either of those 2 treatments. And then, it takes a few weeks to see the results, but it does continue to get better for several weeks.
Dramatic.
gosh, yeah.
I love
And it is
before and
dramatic.
afters like
Yes.
that. Wrinkles, fine lines, that's also very common.
That's right. And with that, we can do radio frequency, skin tightening. We can use Exilus, which is an external applicator that we just rub on the neck and we heat it up and heat up the jawline
That's
to tighten
incredible.
things up. And that is really nice
that's
to
so
get that kind of effect. And then there's one that we call Infini, which is using microneedling with the heat going through the little needles as it penetrates. So that gets it even deeper, and that really gives us the best tightening
I've heard
effect.
of microneedling. I think my sister did that, and she had a really good. She's in Hawaii, but she had a really good result with that. Let's talk about the vertical neck bands.
Yeah.
Are we moving there now? Because those are the ones that really scare me.
Right. Well, the vertical necklines bands are seen more on thin people, but it really is a sign of aging.
Oh, that's why I don't see them.
That's right. You don't. I could probably make you see mine if I gridded a certain way or something, but they really stand out. And those are what we call platysmal bands. They're muscular bands that just become tight as we get aged. And so the way to treat those is with Botox. So using a neuromodulator, we can do a few little injections of Botox in each of those bands, and it relaxes it.
Okay. So, and Nectifirm, is that?
Nectifirm has been the most popular neck cream available for many years now.
Okay.
Number 1 in
this
all
is
kinds of
Nectifirm
magazines.
right here.
And using Nectifirm, it really works very well. And now there's a new Nectifirm Advanced that just got released this month.
Okay,
and so
and
now
that's
it's in
what
a
you're
pump.
holding?
It used to be in a little jar. Now it's in a pump for the advanced version. And they say that after 6 months, you will start to see even more improvement. With Nectifirm, you'll see something in about a month.
Okay.
But then after the first 3 or 4 months, you'll see real marked improvement in how the neck looks. Its fullness,
spray
its
it
the
on your
lines.
neck?
No, well,
it-
you put
oh,
it
you just
rub it. It's a
rub it
cream.
in.
It's a cream.
Now,
and now
okay.
with this one, it's actually going to really tighten things up even more. It's got more ingredients that are really going to work.
Now, should you use that when you start to notice problems, or
even
is it
before.
sort of
There are
prophylactically?
now there are 2 different Nectifirms. So use the original Nectifirm till you're in your 30s and until late 30s to early 40s, and then the Nectifirm Advanced, because it's going to have even more opportunity to address the issues that you could be developing with age.
Can I buy that then?
Yes, this is available now. We have advanced
Right
purchase.
now, I mean.
Yes, you can have
Okay.
that. Advanced purchase.
On right now.
Let's put it on
Use
now.
this
See what
twice
happens.
a day. It is a cream that actually works.
Awesome.
So it's wonderful, all the peptides it has in it and little enzymes, algae, and things that are going to help with dissolving a little of the fat and tightening the skin.
I'm
And it can
so-
work on crepey skin anywhere on the body.
I love filling in when you're
Seriously.
here. I learned so
Yeah,
much.
I love it when you're here, and I'm so happy you talked about the neck today. That is awesome. Way to go. All right, their MediSpa is beautiful. It's located on Georgetown Drive in Pewaukee, 262-746-9088. WIMedispa.com. Denise and I are both fans of your
That's where I
place.
go for when I need a little touch-up.
Yeah, I love it when you're here. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you
Appreciate
very
it. Have a
much.
great weekend.